Okay, let's look at how we can find the rule given the gradient and 1 point. We're going to use this formula. We use this in grade 8, and this formula is different to the formula that's used in worked example 12 in your textbook. Alright, we're given the gradient of 2, so this is our m. Here's our point. With this point, this is the x coordinate of our point, and this is the y coordinate of our point. So what I am going to do in my formula, instead of m, I'm going to write -2. Instead of x1, I'm going to write 1. And instead of y1, I'm going to write -3. So I substitute those three values into my formula. So I have y, and I have to subtract -3, because I subtract y1, and y1 is -3. My gradient is -2, and then I've got x subtract 1, because my x1 is 1. If I've got y subtract -3, we can say that's y add 3. I'm then going to expand my brackets. So this is -2x, and then it's adding 2, because we're doing a negative times by a negative. I want to determine my rule. Remember, for my rule, y equals mx plus c is how I write it, so I want y on its own. So I'm going to subtract 3 from that side to cancel. So I'm going to subtract 3 from the other side. My left-hand side, I'm left with y. On my right-hand side, I've got -2x, and then I'm going to add these two, because they're like terms. So I add my like terms, and I get subtract 1. Okay, so if we're given the gradient and 1 point using this formula, and then we have got 3 values to substitute into the formula, a little bit of manipulation so that we get the rule written in the form y equals mx plus c.